It's like she's trying to talk. They're yelling at each other. My baby could jump. Who are you talking to, Leia?
Leia can jump?
Leia can talk. Sounded like Chewbacca. Yeah, they're both yelling. Tell them, girl. Tell them everything they did to you. What else don't you like? She's like, fuck both of you guys. You motherfuckers. Dad, where do you think you're going? You're not going to get away without hearing me. I'm going to tell you what I think about you. I didn't like what you did to me. No, I don't want to do it again. I don't care if you're my uncle or not. I'm not keeping it in the family. It's wrong. No means no. Tell him. No means no. Tell him, Mom, you ain't gonna take that shit no more. Get him, girl. Oh, here comes the crazy sister with her 2 cents. That looks so funny right now. Yeah, we ain't gonna take no lip. There's plenty more where that came from. Me and my sister are gonna get you. These motherfuckers think we're playing. Tell them, sis. Tell them we ain't playing. Man, you guys be talking a lot of shit.
Wonder where they get that from.
I know. You or me. They do have your feet. They're white.
Stupid. Not right now, they're not.
I think that's where they get their craziness from, too. Their feet.
Yeah.
Man, these girls just stay talking shit all day.
They've been hanging out with us too much.
Nah. They get people hearing them and shit. You get them, girl. Get it, Karma. I don't care how stupid you look, you're sexy. Who's an asshole? Who did it? Why? You gonna get him? Get a little bit closer. See if I don't get you. See if I don't get you. Let me shake you shit off. Man, you don't even know. I'm a wild beast. I'm a bulldog. I will kick you. Man, I will bite the shit out you. Oh my god.
Watch them go over that corner one.
Look like you're sneezing. Look at. Are you sneezing? God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
You kiss your
God
mother with
bless
that mouth.
That's not all she does with that mouth.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, she be licking her own shit. And Karma's like, yeah, I do too, bitches. I do too, bitches.
Yeah, what she said.
Boy, you guys